just less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever, forever. No, I won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever, whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. It doesn't make sense that somebody else got all of the praise when you did the same thing. It doesn't feel real when they all say.
Hey guys, so this is my final result. This is such a simple updo. I'm really trying to get as much updo as possible, especially now that it's summer and if you have long hair, you might not necessarily want your hair to be on your body or want your hair out. So this is like a really simple way to, like, you know, keep your hair set nice. You can wear this hairstyle wherever you want to wear it. That's one thing I love about updos. You can style them however you want to style them, and they still end up looking nice. Or to wherever you want to style them. You can wear them to church, you can wear them to wedding ceremonies, you can wear them to meetings, you can wear them anywhere. That's the main aim of me making this natural hair videos, just for those of you that are looking for elegant styles and you don't want to look childish but you want to look grown, not like the two puffs and all of that, the regular bun, the regular high puff, but like simple, classy, ladylike hairstyles that can help older ladies or people who want to look more elegant with their natural hair. So that's my main reason for, you know, doing this hairstyle. And my hair was not stretched before this hairstyle. I had bantu knots last night because I washed my hair yesterday, and after I finished washing it, I put them in bantu knots, and then I took down the bantu knots and put my hair in a low bun before this video. So that's why my hair seemed stretched, but my hair was not stretched with heat. I realized when I put my hair in twist or bantu knots, it kind of stretches it out by itself. It doesn't look shrunken like, you know, from wash day. So if you want your hair to be straight, just put them in bantu knots and you'll be fine. Especially if you have 4C hair, it will stretch out. Like, just twist it and then put it in bantu knots. I'm pretty sure your hair will be fine, okay? Anyways, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're going to try out this hairstyle, let me show you guys what it looks. I have like a twist here and another twist here, and then I attached the twist together at the back. Then I took all of my hair at the back and tucked it in. A tip for this hairstyle is try to tuck in as much as possible so it doesn't look too puffy. Just tuck it as much as possible. And if you have longer hair, the strands here would definitely be easier for you to attach together. Just make sure you put your hair in front at the back. And also, if your hair is short, you could just bobby pin and then raise your hair and bobby pin it down. I hope that made sense. Anyways, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to try this hairstyle, and if you do, please do not forget to tag Isis. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.